Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Week Wednesday. I know it's Thursday, but anyway, I'll be reviewing this cutie here. Look at this, it's 28-inch long gray wavy wig. And I've had this for some time now, never worn it, haven't even tried it on. I did cut the lace. It has a center part lace. Let me show you the specifics of this wig. I've been looking for all my gray wigs. I got a bunch of them, even before I decided to embrace my gray. I think I started buying gray wigs maybe 3 years ago. So I'm going to make a playlist of just gray wigs that I have. Anyway, it has this fake skin part, and I cut it to see if it's lighter up under here, but it's not. So I cut it so it's still the same. It's dark up under there. And I tried to put some powder in this hairline. It wouldn't even take, so it looks okay. It has a comb at each temple. There's one. No comb in the back, but it does have adjustable straps in the back. And it has this kind of wig cap. And you can see the wefts are sewn on here. Okay. So I put some lot of body on it. Curl defining mousse. Because it was too fly away-ish. You look at it and it would fly away. There's no yuckiness to it at all. Look at that. It's pretty. But you don't want nothing that's going to be sticking out to your lipstick when the wind blows. So, it's really pretty. Like I said, I haven't even tried it on. Look at that. It's pretty. So, because I usually don't wear stuff like this. Like I said, I've had it a while. Here's a picture of it. I'll tell you the name of it in a minute. And let me see, what's the name of this? MAIREAD. MAIREAD. Okay. It's long, deep, curly wig. That's what it's saying, but it's not curly, it's wavy. Deep wave, synthetic hair. Very soft, close color to human hair. That don't make sense. Sounds stupid. But anyway, let me put this wig grip on. I just got my own hair combed straight back and in a braid that's tucked under. I don't do nothing special to help flatten out my hair. That's flat enough. And if there's a little bump there, I ain't worried about it. Okay. I haven't even adjusted these adjustable straps in the back. Just gonna put it on. Okay, let me see. I think I want to. I'm going to. Well, I'll put it on where I'm supposed to first. I'm going to attach these combs at the temple. And I'm going to pull it back. Oh, that looks crazy. And I'm going to pull it back. I look like Cher. Don't stop laughing at me. Look at my hair. Whew. I got you, babe.
Okay, Cheryl.
Okay, I like to pull it back.
Did somebody drop something off in the back here earlier today?
I am filming. I was going to ask you if you went outside in the front. I see footprints in the snow, but nobody came up to the front porch.
Oh,
Yeah, I got a package in the back.
oh, okay.
Well, you see footprints?
It was some footprints.
I don't know why they would come to the front. Look out there. You'll see his footprints in the snow. You see them? Or did they melt?
Oh, yeah.
And there's none on the steps. None on the porch. Okay, y'all. Look at this. Okay, let me pull this down so ain't no hump. Don't want no Humpty Hump action right here. What y'all think about this week? 28 inches long. I like it, y'all. I've been holding it all this time, not wearing it. Oh, shucks now. Sooky now. Oh, I'm liking this. I got a dark brown human hair wig. It looks like this, but it didn't cost what this cost. This was cheap. What is this? $22. $22, yeah, from Amazon. Ain't that pretty? And I'm not doing no baby hair. I'm not doing no old lady hair. Oh, I like this a lot. I got some shedding. What you expect for $22? But it is cute. Okay, now I'm gonna unhook these combs. Let's see. So I can wear it as a side part. Okay, I got that one loose. I'm gonna unhook this one. Where that comb at? Here it is. Come on now. All right. Unhook that one. Now I'm gonna shift it. I like a left side part. Hooking that comb. Ooh. Like I said, this powder don't even work on this wig. I'm gonna try to put some powder in this part. Same stuff I put on my face. The soft focus finishing powder. This little brush. Let me see. A little bit. Put it closer. Let me pull this down in the back. Y'all know I like to show my earrings. I'm thinking this is cute. And like I said, it's silky. It's real fine and silky. There's no yuckiness to it at all. I think it looks pretty nice. What y'all think? Can I rock a long wig? Well, for my hair was about, this is 28 inches long. I would say my hair was about 26 inches long. Yeah, it wasn't this long. Okay. Oh, let me turn around. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? And it's long. Oh, it goes. Oh, it touches my waistline. And I'm 5'9.5" inches tall. So if you're short, this would hit your backside. So I will put all the specifics in the description box of this wig. So I can't remember the name of it now. I just told y'all, but I can't remember. And like I said, I bought it. This is my first time even trying it on. It did have lace at the part, a little bit of lace. I cut that off. Look at that. This is cute. And I bought this with my own money a while ago. I'm not even sure when I bought it. I'll go through my stash again and find some more gray wigs. So which way did y'all like me wearing it? The center part or the side part? Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. I can't believe how cute this $22 wig is, y'all. Of course, it ain't gonna last like a human hair wig, but if you gotta go to a party or some special occasion, this is cute. All right, I'm going for real now. Bye. Be blessed. Thumbnail. Bye.